Hello guys, this is how to fix your HDMI not working. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight to the video. So what we're going to go ahead and do first is open up our device manager. So in our start, we type in device manager, and then we're going to have display adapter, and then you're going to right click on the driver, open up properties, and then you're going to click on driver, and then we're going to update the driver. We're going to make sure that our device is connected to the internet, and we're going to search for a driver automatically. And we're going to give it a second, close. Then we're going to open up our start and then search for services. And once we have that open, we're going to go ahead and look for Windows Update. Just give me a second while I find that. And then you right click and then properties. And then you check startup automatic. And then you click on apply. And then you click on start. And then once you're done with that, you go ahead and close it. And we're gonna open up our settings. So start menu, search settings. And then we're gonna scroll down, look for Windows Update. And we're gonna download and install the update. Once we're done with that, we can go ahead and restart our device. And then once our device has been restarted, we can go ahead and install the HDMI cable. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.